The pendulum squat delivers a similar stimulus to a free barbell squat, but with the load distributed through a pendulum arc, allowing for a more upright torso, deeper range of motion and reduced spinal loading. Stand on the platform with feet shoulder width apart, toes turned out slightly and your back against the pad. Release the handles and lower by bending the knees, driving them out in line with the toes until you reach full depth. Drive back up through the heels, squeezing the quads and glutes at the top. The machine's arc naturally encourages an upright torso. Lean into that and avoid trying to sit back as you would in a conventional squat. The most common mistake is not using the full range of motion the machine allows. The pendulum arc is designed to support depth. Use it and descend below parallel on every rep.